Hello guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'll give you about admission updates for master program. Okay guys, let's start. Guys, you can see my I think you can able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. So guys, I'll give you about MA, MSc, MTech admission updates for 2021 July session. Okay, so this IIT, I think, guys, do you know what is the name of this IIT? This is IIT Guwahati campus, one of the finest and beautiful campus. This is the campus of IIT Hyderabad. Okay, you should go there. One seat is waiting for you. Okay, and look guys, this is the IIT of Monday. So this is IIT Monday, wonderful campus. Okay, so you can go there and one seat is there for you, but you should put more efforts, okay, for it. You have to grab it, you have to achieve it. Okay, so guys, IIT Guwahati is offering MA in development studies. Okay, all the students from social science background, all the background students, they can apply in IIT Guwahati for MA program. Okay, for MA program. And like admission, or sorry guys, application process is already started. Okay, admission portal is already is there. You can apply, like you can apply, and you can apply up to 12th April. Okay, so there are huge time for your application. IIT Hyderabad also is offering MA in development studies. So all the students from like different social science background, like the students from economics background, the students from psychology background, sociology background, the students from arts, basic science background, and the students from engineering background, they can also apply. This two program, MA in development programs, is one type of interdisciplinary programs, and like in Hyderabad you can apply like up to 7th April. So 7th April is the last date for MA application in IIT Hyderabad. And in IIT Guwahati, like the last date is 12th April. So guys, like you should prepare according to that application system. You should make a SOP and so on. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. And IIT Mandi is also offering MA in development studies. So I think it will open their portal for application. And IIT Dhanbad is like offering MTech in social media and culture. Okay, and like application is started. Okay, and you can apply up to 26th April. Okay, last date for application in MTech program, social media and culture. This is very interdisciplinary program. Okay, so IIT Dhanbad is offering MTech program, and all the students social science background, those who have like MA, MSc program, they can apply. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful, and I will show you one more important information. And wait for a moment. Look guys, IIT Jodhpur, like IIT Jodhpur. Okay, so IIT Jodhpur is offering MSc in digital humanities. Guys, in this program you will learn a lot of things, like you will learn artificial intelligence, like a computer engineer. You will learn machine learning, you will learn coding, Python, everything. So very interdisciplinary program. This is MSc in digital humanities. The students who are from like social science background, those who are from economics, psychology, sociology, okay, linguistics. So guys, you can apply. Okay, so there are huge opportunity. You should grab that opportunity. So don't worry about the placement. You should go there. You will get huge opportunity, you will get huge exposure in this IIT. So guys, I think this is this is the IIT Dhanbad Heritage Building, and look, this is the very one of the beautiful campus of IIT Jodhpur. Guys, I think this information will be really helpful. Please go and visit this website of this IIT, okay, and explore. If you need any further help, just comment me, okay, in the comment section, okay. So I'll make video according to that. Okay guys, all the best. Thank you. Tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram. Okay.